For those of you out there trying to figure out which divorce attorney to hire, let me talk to you a little bit about my evening this evening. My name is Marco Brown. I own Brown Family Law in Salt Lake City, and I'm about to go out to dinner with some attorneys. And the reason I'm talking about this is you want an attorney, you want to hire an attorney who is friends with other attorneys. I know some attorneys, they do not in any way, shape, or form socialize with their colleagues, okay? And that is actually a big mistake. You don't want that type of attorney. That type of attorney is not well liked by his colleagues. That type of attorney is probably not well respected by the court system either, or mediators, commissioners here in Utah, whatever it is. They're probably not well respected because they don't take the time to get to know their colleagues, to enjoy their colleagues, to get liked by their colleagues. And why do you want this? Okay, most people think, hey, look, I want the attorney that everybody hates. And, I can understand that sentiment, but that is wrong. You want an attorney who knows other attorneys, who treats their colleagues well and is respected by the courts and takes the time to make those things happen, because those attorneys are the ones that get things done. They're respected, okay? It makes it much easier to get good results when your attorney is well liked by his or her colleagues, okay? And treats his or her colleagues well. Your attorney is going to get you better results in court if that attorney is respected by the courts, okay? He's taken the time to get to know the judges and become respected by the judges and the commissioners, treated the clerks of the court fairly and well, and so on. You're going to get a better result from that. Not because that attorney has played the game better or has bought cachet or something like that, but it's going to be better respected. And when you're better respected by judges tend to listen to you more. That's just the way human beings work, okay? So you want to try to find those attorneys. With regard to mediators, you want attorneys that are well respected by the mediators, okay? That have taken care of their mediators over the years, that are not asking their mediators to do crazy things and taking crazy stances in mediation that make the mediator look stupid when the mediator has to go back and negotiate with the other side, okay? You want a reasonable attorney that pushes hard for you, that's going to help you maximize your time with your kids and maximize your money, but is not going to be outlandish and just kind of dumb in the way they do things, okay? That's not going to help you with the mediator. That's not going to help you in court. That's not going to help you when you're negotiating with the other side. Simply not. So you don't want those types of attorneys. You want attorneys who are well respected and who take the time to be liked and to make liked by their colleagues and to make their colleagues' lives better. So ask about that. When you sit down with attorneys and try to figure out who you're going to hire, ask them, what is your reputation in the community? What is your reputation with the judges? What would the judges say about you if I were to ask them, hey, should I hire this attorney? Okay. What would your colleagues, other divorce attorneys, say about you if I said, hey, I was thinking of hiring so-and-so? Okay. That attorney is going to answer you, and that answer is going to be really, really revealing, okay? So ask these questions when you sit down with somebody. It is totally appropriate, and it's something that you should absolutely do when you're trying to find the best divorce attorney you can. Okay, I am going to get my car and go to dinner now, and if you need help with your divorce here in Utah, give us a call. It's 801-685-9999. Again, my name is Marco Brown. Divorce is all we do. That's it. I couldn't do another type of law if I tried, okay? It's been so long, helped 4,000 people through this process at this point in my career. I don't know any other area of law. This is what we specialize in. So if you need help, give us a call, 801-685-9999.